With our blended learning classes, we're doing a lot of online meetings and online teaching. One of the things that we want to be able to do is make sure that our students can't mute or kick out each other. And the process for how to do this is fairly straightforward. For one, you need to schedule your meetings rather than just click the Meet Now button. So I'm in my test team here, and I'm going to schedule a meeting. So I'm going to go to Calendar and Schedule Meeting. I'm going to add my channel. So I want everybody in my test team to come to this meeting. And I can type details. When I send the meeting, I go back to my team and I click on these three buttons. I want to view meeting details. You have to have sent your meeting before you're able to change the options to it. Right up here are meeting options. So I'm going to click this and it pops up in my web browser. The lobby is basically a space where people wait until you let them into the meeting. So if you don't want your students to be able to start the meeting and start talking without you being there, you can limit this so that you are the only person who can bypass the lobby. This is the key piece here. Who can present? Presenters can mute other participants, and presenters can kick other participants out, and presenters can take over the slideshow that you're showing or the screen that you're showing. So every time you create a meeting, you want to go here and click Only Me. Then I save these options. And now with my meeting, students can't kick each other out, they can't mute each other, and they can't take over control of the meeting from me.